So he is matted.
See down there where his, right here?
Oh yeah.
See how it's all red? That's from the hair pulling.
Where do you start?
It is.
It's like this.
Oh, where to go?
If you start where she stopped.
Oh, I'm going to. I'm just showing camera-wise. See down there where his, right here?
Oh yeah.
See how it's all red? That's from the hair pulling. And then this here, this is urine.
Yeah, the urine stain.
Yep. I'm gonna try a 10, but I'm probably have to go down.
Mapping out a game plan.
Oh my god.
I know, it's terrible.
So he is matted. So I want to start here or wherever I can and make a strip. So it does give me, thank you Christine, a starting point. So I don't want to go and do all this first. I want to
One side at a
create,
time.
yeah, I want to create a line.
It's fine with me.
I guess.
It's like buzz, snip. Comes up right on the GoPro. It looks like you're like doing surgery and you're like opening them up.
Is it really?
Look at it. Look
I can't, I'm just looking
I
at
know,
my
but it
eyeball.
looks like you're like opening him up for surgery.
Oh my god, that's gross! That is so gross! Okay, so look at all that.
Oh my gosh, look how, oh, you poor thing.
So his skin is red, so what I would suggest is that neem.
Since I put a line here, now I can lightly go through, and I'm not like squeezing, pulling, yanking. I'm lightly shaving through, so you can see that this is gonna come off all in one. I can take it in chunks if I want to, but honestly, we're just trying to remove this as quickly as possible for the matting. Oh, goodness. Happy Saturday. I know, sweetheart. It's pulling, and I'm trying to eliminate that.
It's too bad, like, there wasn't like a non like douchey dickhead way of like giving like your owner some matting material information, like why this is bad for your dog, you know.
15.
Oh, look at those nails.
Nails and the feet. There's
Yeah.
matting inside the toes. I really don't want to do a 30. See how it's all pink, Lisa?
Yeah. It's from the heaviness and the pulling, right? Hi. You are cute.
We have, like you said about training the owner, numerous times. Numerous. Yes.
Now, what is the pink underneath? Like, why is it discolored underneath?
It could have been they started chewing at it, and look at the staining on the mouth.
Mouth, yeah.
So they could have started chewing here.
Maybe they're itchy or something.
It could, well, it also could be the mats that are starting to form, and they take and start nibbling, and the dyes get stuck there. So this is the tail.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna go slow.
I know, it's crazy, right?
I need you to turn this way. Good boy.
Oh, it's like darker color. I don't know. Oh, look at this.
And then I'll go over this again.
Like, I'm surprised there was like no fleas.
I'm glad.
Yeah, I know. It's surprising.
Can you imagine? The fleas probably wouldn't be able to get in there. Or they
Actually, they would be stuck in here, reproduce in here because it's so warm, and they really don't have much to go on. But they're
they all jump out.
yeah, but I'm glad that there's no fleas in here. So what they'll do is they'll just feed onto the dog and multiply underneath the coat.
Oh my god.
Yeah, because where else are they gonna go? I know, sweet pea. I know, we're almost done. I'm gonna cut that off and then use a 15 on them. Thank you, Lisa. She's,
You don't got as many sores as your brother.
you know, a Highinger really doesn't get blades warm that often. But for you,
Working overtime.
it's working overtime. I gotta go really super slow. We don't want to cut you. And the armpit can cut very easily. Alright, I don't want to use a 30, but I'm gonna have to.
Oh, 30.
I gotta be very careful. Good boy. Good boy for staying. I know, I know. Even a 30 is having issues. You're doing very, very well. I have not used the 30 on a dog's feet. Like a poodle, a standard poodle is different.
Yeah, but not like a normal.
No, I haven't done matting like with a 30. Oh, you poor thing. You're doing a great job though. Halfway shaved. You do want to soak your feet in the tub. Ooh. You can smell the urine coming out of there. Very slowly, very gently, because I am using a 30, and a 30 can really do damage. Just cut some of this excess here. I already checked for a dew claw if there was one there. Lisa, I took off a layer and all I smelled was urine. She's the therapist of the day. Or the cheerleader coach. See?
Keep going.
Keep going. Good boy. See 11 o'clock? I know, I gotta do this. Lisa, look at this.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. The poor baby.
I have to be very careful. Hold on. It's okay. We're gonna get through this together. Good job. So if I go little by little, scooping here, I have to make sure that I'm not gonna cut his ear. I'm gonna go the other way. All right. So this is on his inside of his ear. Like I really want to go down a blade, but I honestly, if you cut the ear in general, oh, it bleeds like crazy. I know, sweetheart. All right, let's cut some of this. Some. So it's not like weighing down.
See if they want to come over.
Yeah. There we go.
Stay. Stay. I got it. Nope. All right, we'll go the other way.